Today, we're checking out two awesome FDM-printed RC builds from videos sent in by my subscribers. First, this iconic rubber duck semi, printed in 1/10 scale using my files, with the electronics already up and running. And second, a gorgeous Chevy COE custom-built ramp truck showing the journey from raw printed body to the stunning finished look. Huge thanks to these creators for sharing their footage. Let's check them out.